Hi all, welcome to my channel. Now let us discuss about the reduce conflict. There is an example M tends to R plus R, R plus C, R tends to C, input value is C plus C. Now the stack input action. There are three values are there. So first stack input value. Now this is called as a input value. Now the input value will write in the input. So this is a dollar initially. So every input value is ended with dollar. Now, so what we have to do? We will send input value to the stack. This is a dollar C. So whenever you send this value to the C, this is called as shift. Okay. Now plus remaining values are plus C dollar. Dollar C. Okay, again this plus. Now you see, in place of C, I can write R. In place of C, I can write R. So whenever you reduce something R, this is called as reduce. Now plus C dollar as it is. Now dollar R. So it is the plus C dollar. So this plus comes here. This is called as shift move. Okay. So finally dollar plus this C may come here. R plus C. Then we have dollar. Now this C came here. It is called as shift. Okay. Then dollar R plus R. So this R plus R plus C will be converted as R plus R. Okay. So this C is nothing but R. Now dollar C is converted as R. Hence this is called as reduce move. Okay. So R plus R. R plus R is converted as dollar M. So it is called as reduce. Now, whenever the first production is with dollar symbol, it is called as accept, as well as input string must be dollar with empty. So this is the one way to produce a stack input and action. Now I am taking one more variation, stack input action. So stack value is again dollar, input value is C plus C dollar, and the dollar is there. C will come here. It is called as shift. Then plus C dollar R. So the C will become R plus C dollar. It is called as reduce dollar R plus dollar R plus C dollar. It is a shift move. Now why we are writing shift here? Because C came here. Why we write here reduce? Because C will be reduced as R. Because C will be reduced as R. Now you see next line. So C dollar is there. Now dollar R plus this C will come here. It is called as shift dollar. Okay. Final value is, so R plus C is represented by M. Is represented by M dollar. So now this is called as accept. This is called as reduce, because R plus C is reduced with M. Now let me give a numbering for this production. So what are the numberings we have? It is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and seventh one. Let me give numbering here also. Now, if you observe in the first line, dollar is there. Okay. So first line dollar C plus C. Okay. First line C plus C dollar shift. Second line dollar C plus C dollar reduce plus C dollar reduce. Dollar R plus C dollar shift. Dollar R plus C shift. And similarly, fourth one also same. But if you see here, what will be happening? Now you see in the fifth line, R plus C. So till here, same. But if you see in the sixth line, I changed C as R. But if you see, I changed R plus C as M. Okay. So my final acceptance is M accepted same. M accepted. So both parsings will be accepted. Both strings, both formats will be accepted. But the thing is that whenever you have in the fifth line, C will be converted as R. Here R plus C is converted as M. Here we are taking C reduced as R. But here we see R plus C is taken as M. So there are two different reduce moves. Either I can go with this reduce move or this reduce move. So here C is reduced as R. Here R plus C is reduced as M. So here parser have some conflict. This is called as what we have reduce conflict. Now this is one reduce move. This is another reduce move. Okay. So here the parser have some ambiguity whether it goes to which reduce move. Okay. So this is a way to construct reduce move. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Any doubts you can ask me. Thank you one and all.